Welcome to eSMART, fun-filled riddles, quizzes, and trivia. Which bird only eats bones? A. Vulture, B. Emu, C. Falcon, D. Ostrich. A. Vulture. Which bird is considered largest bird in the world? A. Flamingo, B. Emu, C. Falcon, D. Ostrich. D. Ostrich. Which bird can see at night? A. Parrot, B. Owl, C. Penguin, D. Robin. B. Owl. Which bird is the smallest bird in the world? A. Parrot, B. Dove, C. Hummingbird, D. Robin. C. Hummingbird. Which bird is considered the fastest bird? A. Robin, B. Peregrine falcon, C. Hummingbird, D. Parrot. B. Peregrine falcon. Which bird is the symbol of peace? A. Parrot, B. Dove, C. Hummingbird, D. Robin. B. Dove. Which is the fastest swimming bird? A. Flamingo, B. Emu, C. Penguin, D. Ostrich. C. Penguin. Which body parts birds do not have? A. Teeth, B. Neck, C. Beak, D. Stomach. A. Teeth. Which bird can eat when its head is upside down? A. Flamingo, B. Emu, C. Falcon, D. Ostrich. A. Flamingo. Which bird can rotate its head in an almost complete circle? A. Robin, B. Dove, C. Owl, D. Parrot. C. Owl. Which bird does not make a nest of its own? A. Cuckoo, B. Pigeon, C. Owl, D. Kingfisher. A. Cuckoo. Which bird can fly backward? A. Robin, B. Peregrine falcon, C. Hummingbird, D. Parrot. C. Hummingbird. Which bird lays the largest egg? A. Vulture, B. Emu, C. Falcon, D. Ostrich. D. Ostrich. Which bird is known as king of birds? A. Flamingo, B. Peacock, C. Eagle, D. Ostrich. eagle. Like, share, and subscribe. Thanks for watching.